Okay. Trevor Etienne, Derrick Henry. Cam Ward variation.
It's nice to have dual.
We got Elik Iomanner on the base. Emeka Egbuka on the base. Isaiah Likely. Saquon. Kyle Williams on the center stage for the Patriots. Kyle McCord, Gunnar Helm, Michael Irvin, Jerome Ford, Parker Washington, Ashton Genty on the Men and Mastery. Don't know why that one was backwards. Thought that was about to be a nuke. Tyler Shuck, variation. Orange. We got Donovan E. We got Terrence Ferguson to 149 for the Rams. Torrey Horton. And then another color match orange. Cortland Sutton, number to 199 for the Broncos. Nick G. Nick Bosa, Josh Allen, Jaden Higgins.
What?
So I'll take both of those. Malik Neighbors. We got Jarquez Hunter on the rookie. Matthew Golden on the rookie. Walter Nolan, rookie auto for the Arizona Cardinals and Edgar. Jadeveon Clowney. Worthy. Tyler Warren, Silver Storm. Matthew Golden variation. Is case hit live? They did hit one in the first half, but our other case had 2 case hits. So
You want this auto back?
no. They did hit one in the first half, technically. We got Jalen Milroe on the rookie. Micah Parsons purple, number to 49 for the Cowboys. Ray McLeod, Wester, Taysom Hill, Brock Bowers, Ashton Genty variation, nice. Terrence Ferguson, Jalen Lane, DJ Giddens, Jacoby Myers, Emeka Egbuka, center stage of Amon-Ra. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, we gotta heat up. We need to heat up. We need some low numbered. Give me gold. Come on. No. This is backwards. We got Mumfield. We got Lambert Smith. Matt Stafford to 149 on the Panini insert. Joe Mixon, Patrick Willis, Jaden Daniels, Silver, Jaden Higgins. Dart variation, okay. First dart sighting.
It was a dart sighting?
It was indeed. Come on. Pat Bryant. Oh. That's sick.
Herbie?
Justin Herbert. Color match blue auto to 99. Going to the Chargers. And there it is.
Look at that signature.
Going to Damon. Justin Herbert, 21 of 99, blue color match auto, going to the Chargers.
The Chargers.
Wait a second. I don't know. I think we might have something else. Matt Milano, Caleb Johnson, carbon copy, Micah Parsons and Abdul, and a Pat Bryant center stage. Yep, that's number to 99. Going to the Broncos and Nick G. I thought it was black 1 of 1 for a second. This is a number, right? We got blue and orange. Tommy Malott. Dylan Gabriel. We got an extra auto again. Chimere Dike. Blue rookie auto. Kind of a color match. Going to the Titans. That is numbered to 99. Last team, man. Kyle McCord. Numbered to 199 for Philly. Another one of the last teams. Josh Allen Splash. Right, we had extra auto on that one too. The Herbert, that, and the Walter Nolan.
Yeah.
Take Kyle McCord. Take Pat Bryant. Take Micah Parsons. All right, 3 boxes left. That was halfway through the break, so we still got a lot more.
These are good, right?
Yeah. Dark gold or 1 of 1. All right, I'll try my best. Guy's asking for like a product hit right now, but I got you. Go forth. You have Jags. You have Jags. We got Shador, Damian Martinez, Elic Iomanner on the blue. That's nice. Number to 99 color match for the Titans. Eric Dickerson, Ladd, Egbuka, Shuck variation. Anything yet? Nothing really, no. No Travis Hunter. There's been like a silver or something, but
Nothing crazy.
nope. We got a blue here. We got Harold Fannin. Adonai Mitchell. Blue in focus auto for the Colts. First on print to 99. The newest New York champ. That's going to Indy. Going to Nick G. Zaire Franklin. There you go. By Shaltoon on the red. We'll take that. Garrett Wilson. Jaden Higgins image variation. We got Jihad Campbell. Josh Simmons, Quentin Johnston, Tank Bigsby, Dak, Shuck. Card stuck. Just a bunch of these. Guys, grab your teams in the certified half case. We want to try to run that break tonight. Half case is certified. Second half of the case. Case hit is live. Case hit is live there. Riley Leonard.
Nice.
Ty Felton. Nice. Kyle Williams to 149. Going to the Patriots. Tank Bigsby on the silver. Jaden Daniels silver. Cam Ward variation. Oh, shit. Just knocked the card down.
Card down.
Hold on. Sorry, Gunner. I have yet to get gold. Ricky White. Mitchell Evans. Christian Watson. Peyton Manning. That's a cool card. Wes Chandler. Lamarian Hampton silver by Storm. orange. Sweshinger rookie. Gray Zabel. Tank Bigsby for the Jags, numbered to 199. Jonathan Stewart, Matt Stafford, BTJ. Tetaroa variation. Come on, man. Some of these packs are like a pain. Got orange again, I believe. Orange and blue, okay. Baishal for the Jags. Elijah Arroyo, rookie auto, going to the Seahawks. DK on the silver for the Titans. RJ Harvey again on the color match to 199. Start the rainbow.
Start it.
Man of Mastery, Tetaroa, and a Brian Thomas Jr. on the blue overdrive, number to 99. Going to the Jags. It's a really good pack. A lot of hits in that pack. Come on, Johnny. Let's get you a Isaac Tesla 1 of 1. We got Caden Prather. Travis Hunter. We got Jamie and Sherwood to 149 for the Jets. Puka Nakua on the center stage. Colson Loveland variation.
It's a cool Nakua.
White, I think. I think white's to 25.
Yeah. White's big cards.
Zaire Franklin. That is disgusting with the all-white uniform. 6 of 25. Going to the Colts and Nick G. It's a sweet card. Caleb Johnson silver. Rich Gannon. Bo. Shuck on the introductions. K-Falls, you have Philly, New Orleans, Baltimore, and Atlanta. Philly, New Orleans, Baltimore, and Atlanta. DK, Arroyo, Tony Pollard, Jordan Love. I don't think that's numbered. No. Going to the Browns, Myles Garrett. Ashton Genty, Silver Splash. That's a nice card. Matthew Golden variation. And base. All right, guys. 2 boxes left. 2 boxes left. Let's get this thing cooking, right? We need to cook a little bit. Let's have a second case hit. Oops. Did not mean to do that. And again, guys, in the shop is another break. It is a half case break of certified from a case that we opened the first half. No night moves case hit, no first round introductions, no mighty case hit. So case hit is live there.
See what happens with this card.
I don't know. So I noticed that too.
Well, I would let the people know.
They know it's not us.
Yeah.
Jade Barron, Isaac Tesla. Hey, there's a card. It's a sick color match. Josh Simmons on the red. Tyler Shuck on the silver. Or rookie night, whatever they call those. Colson Loveland, Brock Bowers. Shador variation. Cam Miller. Nice. Tyler Warren on the Panini to 149.
Let's go.
Going to the Colts. Nick G. My Mike Evans, Jerry Jeudy, Hurts, JSN center stage.
Those are like really cool inserts, the Panini thing.
Blue here. We got Jackson Hayes on the rookie. We got Mason Graham on the rookie. Lamar Jackson blue. That is numbered to 99 for the Ravens. K Falls. Quinn Ewers, Tyler Warren, Lamar and Jaden Daniels. Space. Come on, man. Give me a big card. We got Jack Besh base. Nick Scorton base. Tajay Spears to 25 on the white. 17 to 25 for the Titans. Titans are getting a lot of cards.
White.
Theo, Chuba, Saquon, Tet variation. Orange. Judkins. Come on, bro. These cards stick way too much. Michael Williams, A.J. Brown, silver. Greg Zuerlein. That is numbered to 199 for the Jets. Pat Surtain, silver. And a bunch of base. And some of these packs just don't cooperate. Give me gold, man.
I need gold.
Is that all? Is that too much to ask for? Tommy, Malachi Starks, Arian Smith, Golden Tate, Jamar Chase, Worthy, Tyler Warren. Come on, man. I feel like we're waiting for a nuke here. I do.
I feel like an arch.
That one opened easy. That means 101. I don't think so. I tried. Shador, Damian Martinez, Malik Neighbors, Warren Moon, Saquon, Omarion Hampton lighted up, Ashton Genty variation. Have we hit an auto in this box yet? I don't think so. Caleb Johnson, Riley Leonard on the silver. Chris Olave on the orange, numbered to 199. Chuck Foreman. That's sick. Jamar Chase on the blue, moments in time, numbered to 99. Cincinnati, Johnny Ringo. I like that one. I don't think we hit an auto in this box, so these should both have an auto, I think. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. Fred Warner on the blue to 99 for San Fran.
We hit one auto, I think.
We did.
Yeah.
Ladd, Stafford, Dart variation, nice. Oh, and this one should have an auto then. Fred Warner. Let's get that Jamar Chase up here.
Get it.
Come on, man. Give me a gold auto. I don't know. Genty. Savion Williams. Justin Jefferson on the blue. That's nice. Numbered to 99. Devon Achane, Jordan Love, Brock Bowers, Drake May, Caleb Johnson variation. I think we were skunked an auto again. We definitely were.
Yeah, we're skunked.
Come on, man.
The Herbert didn't come out of that box, right?
That was a while ago. What's the last auto you have over there? If it's the Walter Nolan, we were definitely shorted one. I don't know if we got an auto that box. That's crazy. Guys, we got one box left. I know I'm stalling. I really am bothered by that we didn't get an auto there. Last box, guys. Good luck. Come on. I genuinely don't think there was an auto that box. I'm like starting to believe it now. Tootin. Base.
What's this?
That was a long time ago. Gray Zabel. Michael Penix to 149. Falcons. Gabe Davis. Bo. BTJ. Shador variation. We'll count all the autos at the end and just see what happens. Can you grab all of them whenever you get a chance? We got Carson Schlesinger. Elijah Arroyo. We got a... This is nice. Red Tyler Shuck for the Saints. Will Shields. CJ Stroud. Cam Ward. JD. DK, Simmons, Trevion Silver, we take that. Jonathan Stewart, BTJ, Brock Bowers, center stage. Scatabo. Nope, that was a while ago. Blue, okay. We got Jihad Campbell. This is a nice auto up next. Matt Ryan autograph for the Falcons. That's sick. K Falls. Matt Ryan Showtime auto. Take that. Will Dissly to 99. LeGarrette Blount. Matthew Golden. Orange. Shador Sanders. We got Will Campbell to 149 for the Patriots. Eric Armstead Silver. Mike Evans numbered to 199 on the orange. Tampa. Bo Emeka Egbuka on the center stage. There. Base. All right, guys. Last part of the break. Last half of the box. Not right now, that one. No high rollers right now. Harold Fannin. Damian Martinez. Brett Favre to 25 on the Hall of Fame for the Packers. Michael Vick, silver. Jake Ferguson, Saquon. Jonathan Taylor and Omarion Hampton, silver carbon copy. I wouldn't call them a carbon copy. Jackson Dart. Jonathan Taylor's in his own world of players right now. All right, 4 packs left. Come on. That's something there. I don't know what that is, though. Mitchell Evans. Ricky White. Josh Downs, the 149. Cam Scatabo on the rookie. Nice. Drake May. Tetaroa McMillan to 99 on the blue Men of Mastery. Nice one. For the Panthers. Ashton Genty on the variation. Who's got the Panthers? Nick G. This guy knows.
He's got a lot of Texans.
We got Ty Felton. Oops, wrong stack. We got Riley Leonard, if I can get it red card. Riley Leonard. Alvin Kamara on the red. Tyler Shuck. We've hit a lot of these, like the red, the silver ones. Nico Collins. Please be something. Nope, just the silver Tetaroa. Cam Ward variation, and then base. 3 packs left. Or, sorry, 2 packs left. This one and one more. Caleb Johnson. James Pierce. And a Kelvin Banks rookie auto for the Saints on the purple /49. Offensive lineman auto. Tariq Woolen, Isaiah Davis, Lad McConkey, Norman Copy. All right. Last pack. No gold, man. Unless we hit it here.
Gold?
We have orange to close it out, I believe. Arian Smith. Cam Miller. Shimray DK, number to 199 in the orange. Devin Hester. Caleb Williams, silver splash. And Tyler Shuck on the variation. Oh, shit. You guys probably know. Not the greatest break overall. The Herbert's really nice. We hit a couple decent autos. Not the best half. Not going to lie. I am going to count the autos, though, in a second. Because we're going to figure something out here. So, guys, though, if you were in that break, I appreciate you all. If I did not hit something for you, I'm sorry. Stick around for a second. We should have at least 12 autos. At least. I'm going to take everything down and keep the autos. I think we're going to have 10, if I had to guess.
What Panini?
I think that one box had 0. All right. This should be... You don't have any autos over here, right?
No, I went through there.
Let me make sure there's no autos in here. Oh, there is one. 80 Mitchell. Okay. Unless something crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We were missing 1. Missing 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. I mean, I thought we only had 10. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah.
I thought the one box we got completely shorted. We might have, and we had an extra third box. I don't know. But guys, I appreciate everyone that hopped in. If I did not hit for you, I am sorry. I'm not going to lie. I was thinking about throwing something in. We don't have anything unless I get in trouble. Yeah, I'd get in trouble if I threw in anything that we have. So, guys, I'm going to do a recap of just this stuff that's next to me. Again, I appreciate everyone that hopped in. Next break is in the shop. It is a half case of certified. There's already 8 teams off the board. Case hit is live. It's the second half. Case hit is live. Here's a little recap, though. Elic Iomanor blue, Ladd orange, Corey Dillon orange, Chris Olave orange, Cortland Sutton orange, Zaire Franklin white. That's a beautiful looking card. Lamar on the blue, BTJ blue, Tyler Warren on the Panini, number to 149. Pat Bryant blue, Kyle McCord orange, RJ Harvey orange. That's a nice one. Micah Parsons purple, Montez Sweat on the purple, Jamar Chase Moments in Time blue, Terrence Ferguson Panini to 149. Calvin Ridley purple, and then here's all of our autographs. Kelvin Banks to 49, rookie auto. Matt Ryan Showtime auto for the Falcons. Don Majkowski on the autograph, number to 199. Walter Nolan rookie auto for Arizona. DK rookie auto numbered to 99 for the Titans. Justin Herbert auto numbered to 99 for the Chargers. Abdul Carter silver auto. Elijah Arroyo silver auto. Jalen Lane silver auto. Gunnar Helm silver auto. Excuse me. And A.D. Mitchell numbered to 99 blue auto. Color match. Going to the Colts. Guys, again, appreciate everyone that hopped in that. Not the best break, as you guys know, but it happens. It happens.